I've seen people are paying between 20 to 25 lakhs to get LMIA from India. I will tell you two methods with which you do not need LMIA and can save between 20 to 25 lakhs. You can get work permit in Canada absolutely free of cost and work in Canada as per your wish. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Pawan Speaks Canada. I hope you all are doing well. So there are two methods that are launched by the Canadian government by the end of 2023 with the help of which you can get work permit without applying for LMIA. And in case you want to know more about the same, then please watch the video till the end and also subscribe to my channel because on it you will be able to watch unique and informative videos about moving to Canada from time to time. So without wasting any further time, let's get started and talk about the two methods with the help of which you can work and you can get LMIA without a work permit. The first one is the innovation stream. I've also discussed about this program in the past, and in this program there are few companies that are approved by the Canadian government. And these are those companies that have played a big role in Canada's innovation. So whatever innovations has happened in Canada till date, all these companies have played a major role. And because of that only, these companies are getting approval for the same. So in case these companies need to hire, for example, let's say that they want to hire outside from Canada. Normally, to hire outside from Canada, you need an LMIA to work in Canada. But these companies can hire people outside Canada without LMIA. So in case you apply to these companies, you do not need a LMIA and you will get a visa in just 2 weeks. This has been done because when you apply through LMIA, the entire process becomes very long and very exhaustive. And just to reduce the processing time, this step has been taken. But this is an employee specific program, and in case you apply to these companies, they will bound you to work with them only because this is a closed work permit and you can also get up to 5 years of work permit on this visa. The second one is an open work permit, and with this open work permit, it means that you can work anywhere in any company. There are no restrictions. And there are few occupations that are chosen by the Canadian government because of high demand in these occupations. The demands are very high and there is shortage of resources and labor. And if you fall into those occupations, then you will get a work permit without an LMIA. So by the end of 2023, this scheme will be operational and effective. And in case you are eligible in any of these categories, you can apply accordingly. The next method is digital nomad program. Now you must be thinking, what is digital nomad program? So a digital nomad is any person who can work from anywhere for any company remotely. And in case you fall in this category, you can apply for a visitor visa for Canada. And once you get a visa, you can come down to Canada, and sitting anywhere in Canada, you can work for any company. So once you enter in Canada, you can also become a part of workforce of Canada. You can apply to any company without an LMIA. You can get a work permit of Canada. So for a digital nomad, there are a lot of facilities given because there are a lot of requirements for innovations, streams like IT, stem cell skills requirement. And in these sectors, there are major requirements, and this has been promoted throughout the world. So in case you fall in this category, you can get a work permit in Canada without LMIA, and also you can get a work permit between 3 to 5 years of time frame. So these are the two methods with the help of which you can get a work permit in Canada without an LMIA and can save up to 20 to 25 lakhs, which you normally spend to get an LMI. In case you like the video, please share it with the maximum number of people so that most of the people get to know about these two processes. And thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in my next video. Thank you.